beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my April stitch fix. Okay, so let's just jump right on in. Here is the box. Okay, these things come so fast because it seems like once my stitch fix video comes out, I'm receiving another stitch fix box in the mail. They come literally that fast. So yeah, I'm going to try to, I don't know if I should just stop. I don't know, you guys are liking Stitch Fix. I don't know, I gotta figure out what I'm going to do with these Stitch Fix videos, okay? But I need some more videos, okay? So please put in the comments below if there's a product that you want me to review, the service that you want me to review and try out, and let you guys know the tea, okay? Write that in the comments below. I listen to your feedback, I respond, all of that good stuff. So please definitely leave a comment below, okay, if there's something that you would like to see on this channel. Alright, so let me go ahead and pull everything out. Alright, it's nice little stitch fix box. I wonder if there's some earrings, that's what they feel like. So the first thing are some leaf earrings. Okay, let me put my hand behind here, okay. They're alright. I used to be in that like bohemian kind of spirit sometimes with my jewelry and my clothing. I'm kind of sort of grew out of that, so I don't know if I'll keep these. And another problem that I have with this is that I may not have the necklace to go with it, although I'll put on a card above. There was a previous Stitch Fix where I received this beautiful gold necklace that actually might look nice with this now that I'm thinking about it. So I'll see, depending on how much it costs. You know, we don't know yet until after all of this is pulled out and stuff. So let's keep looking. Ooh, oh my god, there's some pretty colors in here, and I am B-R-O-K-E. Okay, let me tell you, I feel like I repeat myself every single video, and it's about these cardigans. Now this is a nice purple cardigan, and this is nice and springy, and oh my goodness, like I don't have a purple cardigan. This could transfer to the spring and the fall. I'm trying so hard not to get wrapped up with these cardigans, but for me they're so easy. It's like you put them on and you go. You don't have to really worry about what shirt you're wearing because you're putting a cardigan on over it. So that's why cardigan life is just so easy for me. And that's why when I see cardigans, it's like, oh, give it to me, because it's just so easy to accessorize and layer. So here's this one, okay? Ooh, what a cute shirt. I won't keep this though. This is actually kind of big. Okay, this shirt right here, it's their let's see, Worthington cold shoulder top, and it's a white one. Okay, and it has a lot of floral print on it, and in the back it has like a little opening in the back, and it's cute and it's pretty and it's nice and flowy at the end. But for me, like whenever I see a shirt like this, and I'm just being real, whenever I see a shirt like that, it reminds me of when I was pregnant and I was searching for clothes that would fit like that would just be really wide and open at the bottom. And I don't want to wear a pregnancy shirt, okay? I kind of like my shirts to be a little bit more fitted. Well, with my little gut, maybe I should be looking for a pregnancy shirt. That don't mean I'm pregnant though, I'm just saying. Anyway, this is a pretty cute top. It depends on how it looks when it's on. It does look a little bit big though for me, because I do have a tiny, waist and all that stuff. So, oh, and then it has some, peek out one. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I'm definitely excited to try this on now. I got some other flair to it. We'll see how that looks. But it looks a little big from first glance. Look, I'm just being real. So I don't do polka dots. This is cute though. I mean, it's not really for me. Like I said, I don't do the polka dot thing. I don't really like polka dots. It's not an ugly shirt though, you guys. Look. I'm trying to think positive. Yeah, that's definitely gonna go. It's a nice shirt, and the way it's cut and all of that is really nice. I wish it wasn't polka dot. I wish it was like a solid color, because I don't really do the polka dot thing, but we'll see how it looks when I try it on. You never know, I might change my mind and say, hey, polka dots are for me, you know? Alright, and the last thing in here are just some bottoms. Can you guys tell I wasn't happy with this fix this time? It's like they just threw any random thing in here this time. Besides that cardigan is very strategic. They know I like my cardigan, so that cardigan was strategic. But everything else was just my last fix. I will put the link up here. That last fix that I got was just everything. And how do you go from to you know? Here's the pants. I didn't even show the pants yet because I just wasn't interested in them. So they're just a lime green. They're like a capri pant. Here's the pockets in the back. Okay. So you guys, this is the first fix that I just wasn't happy about. I don't even know if I want to try this stuff on, but I'm going to do it for y'all. I'm going to do it for my babies, my beauties. I want to put this stuff on for y'all so you guys can see how this looks on me. Let's see how much all this foolishness costs, okay? It shouldn't cost a whole bunch because I ain't really getting nothing, right? Okay, let's see. So I'm looking at my receipt. I'm trying to figure out, like, why is this? Why? So what happened was, so Stitch Fix, normally there's a $20 styling fee. But instead of the $20 styling fee, they changed it midway for me, and I was able to just pay $50 for the whole year, and I wouldn't have that $20 styling fee come out of my bank account every month. So that's what I did, and so the gold earrings are $28. Okay, the straight pants, the green pants are $59, which isn't bad. Okay, the Worthington closed shoulder top, that's the white top, that's $38. The button down blouse with the polka dots, that's $38, and the cardigan is $38. So the subtotal is $201. If I buy everything, I'll get the 25% off, which will be $50.25 off of that $201. And then I have a $49 credit, as I just explained to you, that I was able to purchase a Stitch Fix membership for like a year for $50, about $50. So that $50 credit goes towards you whatever you decide to keep in your next fix. So my order total, if I keep everything, is $101.75. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I'm going to use my credit on any. Well, then again, if I keep that cardigan, that credit will go towards the cardigan, and I'll have a little bit of dollars left from that credit. And that's the only thing that I'm thinking about. Well, I want to look at keeping that top too. I need to stop doing the same things over and over again. I need to branch out and be different, and that's the one thing I'm really loving about Stitch Fix. Besides this fix, I'm being sent things that makes me think outside the box and wear different things, and I don't have a white top like that. So if I keep anything and I like how the white top fits on me, that's probably what I'll keep. But we'll see. I'm still going to try everything on for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for the try on piece of this video. Okay, you guys, what do you guys think about everything that I tried on? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Am I hating too much on this Stitch Fix box, this number 6 box is number 6 for me. Am I having too much on this box? Let me know below. Let me know if you signed up for Stitch Fix. I'll have links below to Stitch Fix. And I'll have other links below to like my social media and all of that stuff. If you guys would like to follow me and see what I get into every day, definitely take the time to look in your description boxes and see that information below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new interesting content such as this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.